Expansion in the food service sector in Mexico is building demand for high-quality protein and providing opportunity for U.S. lamb. The U.S. Meat Export Federation teamed up with the American Lamb Board and USDA's Market Access Program for an event in the wine country near Mexico's Pacific coast to bring together suppliers and buyers from across Mexico, along with chefs and influencers, to show the affordability, quality, and versatility of U.S. lamb.
It was a terrific event that the team in Mexico put together, and really it was one of the sort of first big lamb events that we've done to this scale. The event was held at the El Cielo winery in the wine region, so it was just a beautiful setting. For us, what was really exciting about it was, Mexico has always been an important export destination for us. This really introduced us to, a lot more distributors, and most importantly, a much better understanding of the food service scene in Mexico. So for us, that's where we see our greatest growth potential. Many of these distributors either weren't familiar with American lamb or they hadn't really considered it. But after our discussions and talking about our products and seeing the quality of it and understanding more about what their needs are and what our capabilities are, we see there's certainly an opportunity for growth throughout Mexico with American lamb.
Mexico has been a leading market for U.S. red meat in 2023.
Hospitality industry in Mexico has been really a tremendous driver of demand for U.S. products over the last several years. And in northern Mexico, in some of these select areas where there's high-end tourism, there's all-inclusive type resorts, things like that. And our work in USDA through our reporting and our exchange programs, I think is very complementary to what U.S. Meat is doing here in Ensenada.
USMEF executive chef in Mexico, Herman Navarrete, featured shoulder cuts and cooking demonstrations to show how affordable cuts of American lamb can provide the high quality Mexican consumers are demanding.
The shoulder is a really versatile cut, and with the preparations that Chef Herman did, I think it opened the eyes for a lot of the participants on how flexible and really quite affordable American lamb could be on menus. Several people came up and just said it was so much more tender and delicious than they expected. So I think it was an eye-opener for a lot of the participants to try all the different dishes.
Mexico has a growing higher-end food service sector with restaurants, wineries, and inclusive resorts driving post-COVID demand for quality proteins.
We were able to really get a better understanding of how vibrant really the food service scene is, and in the fine dining segment, American lamb really has a great potential and presence in there. They were very excited to hear that we offered a fresh option, because I think they're used to getting primarily frozen meat from overseas. So really being our next door neighbor and the availability of fresh lamb was very exciting to them. One of our taglines is 10,000 miles fresher, and that seemed to really resonate with the group that was there.
For more about the U.S. Meat Export Federation and our work around the world, please visit usmef.org.